Hello guys, this is Mukesh. Welcome back to another KineMaster tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a trending 8mm film effect using KineMaster like this. Let's get started. First open your KineMaster application, then press the create new option. Then click 16:9 aspect ratio, then go for fill in photo display mode. Then click next, then add your footages. So this is the first one, the second one and the third one, and click OK for the re-encoding. And this is the fourth one, and this is the fifth one, and this is the sixth one, and click OK for the re-encoding. Okay, now it's completed. Now you have to adjust the duration. The first footage is going to be about 6 seconds, so just trim the part. So the next thing again going to for 7 seconds, and then just trim, and then just trim again for the multiple segments. Okay, now it's completed. Now you have to add the transition. Just click the plus button and download this transition called the Filmora from the asset store. Then add the asset called the fifth one. Okay, then next thing, then going the Filmora, then sixth one, then next one, add the Filmora to third one, and it's a random process, so choose the transition, depends upon your interest. Okay, now it's completed. Now we have to add the overlay. Click the layer, go to the media, go to the videos, then download this video from the KineMaster store. And if you don't have this option, you can simply add the effect called clip graphics, then add the memories on the film on the third one, and it looks good, but as some kind of the overlay in the bottom which I don't like, so I don't want to use this. So I just want to give none, and just click the layer and go to the media and just click the videos and just tap this option and click this option, click the split screen to the maximize frame, and just go down, and after this white color segment, just click this trim tool and trim left to play head and just place to the start and just give a play. Okay, now just duplicate this again, click the 3 button and click duplicate, and just replace its position. Okay, at the end of this it should start again. Okay, now click this option and go down and click blending and click multiply. Now again go here and just click this option and go to the blending and click multiply. Now it's completed, but some of the videos are not color graded to the old film. See, this looks a new one, this looks too. So we have to just click the video and go to the color filter and click basic and choose B04. Likewise this again, go to the color filter and click basic and B04. Now it's completed, right? It looks the old film. Now we have to add some background music. Click the audio and just download this audio from the KineMaster store called Gymnopedie or Gymnopedie No1, and just add the music. And we have to add some, if you add a sound effects for the scratch pad and the car sound, you can easily do this, and a train sound, but in the asset store we don't have the train sound, so we have to add the sound effects we had inside the KineMaster. Click the audio and click the SFX, and first one is Ambient street, and just click the second one, add this and just reduce the sound to 40%. It's all about your adjustment. Now just start from this, and for the beginning we have to add some scratch pad sound effects. So click the audio and go to SFX and click electrical noises and go for neon noise. Okay, then just do like this. Now just give a playback, and if you want to add some text, you can just click the layer and add the text. Now I want to play the video. Hope you learned how to create the 8mm film effect using KineMaster. Let's meet in the next class. Don't forget to follow KineMaster in India Facebook page. Signing off, Mukesh. Bye bye.